Hello everyone. In this session of CCNA series, I will show you how to configure default static route. Let's take a scenario where I have a small office in which I have a user and a router which is acting as a WAN router with subnet 192.168.1.0 with .1 configured on the router and .10 on the user's PC. So the user will try to reach the Google server, that is with IP 8.8.8.8. So now we have to configure a default route such that any traffic coming to the WAN router is forwarded to the ISP router which is connected to the internet. So let's go ahead and hop on to the PC and try to see if we can ping the Google server. Okay, when I try to ping the Google server, it is not pinging because I'm sure there is no route on the WAN router towards the Google server. So let's go ahead and see if the route is available. So if I do show IP route, you can see it only displays the connected routes which are directly connected interfaces. So for that, let me add a default route. Okay, the command to type the default route is 0.0.0.0 with subnet mask as 0.0.0.0 and the next hop IP which is 192.168.2.2 which is the IP of the ISP router which is connected to our WAN interface. So IP is 192.168.2.2. So after adding this route, you can check if the route is available. Here you can see there is a route available with S star sign and it is pointing to the next hop 192.168.2.2. So let's go ahead and hop onto the PC and see if we can reach the Google server now. Here you see we are able to reach the Google server. That's it for this session. I hope this was informative for you. Thank you for watching.